Good day, everyone. My name is Joshua V. Mazon, but you can call me Jo for short. I'm 21 years old from Balugubak, Marinduque, and I'm currently a fourth-year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. And when I'm not busy with academics, I enjoy watching movies, playing mobile games, and I love dancing and also singing. And I would describe myself as a creative and approachable person who brings creativity into everything I do. And my approachable nature allows me to connect easily with others and build a positive relationships with them. What motivated me to choose this course is my passion. My passion for understanding people, solving workplace issues, and creating a positive environments where both employees and businesses can thrive. And I believe that human resource management is not just about hiring people. It's about shaping their careers, managing in relationships, and helping individuals reach their fullest potential. That's why my dream is to become an HR manager who leads with purpose, where I can oversee key functions like recruitment and selections, employee relations, and training, and also ensuring that every employee feels valued, heard, and empowered, and someone who helps shape an inclusive and motivating work environment. Through this program, I hope to learn effective strategies in talent management, also labor laws, organizational behavior, and leadership. I expect to gain strong communication skills, like also the decision-making abilities and the confidence to handle real-life HR challenges. And I hope to use these skills in the real world by helping create a fair and supportive workplace, encouraging others to grow in their careers, and being someone both employees and management can trust and rely on. Through the subject project management, I hope to learn how to effectively organize, how to plan and lead projects by gaining a deeper understanding of key concepts, such as goal setting, time and resource management, and also team coordination. I expect to develop valuable skills like leadership, problem solving, communication, and the use of project management tools that will help me manage tasks more efficiently and adapt to the real world challenges. I plan to apply this learning in my future work environment by taking a more strategic and structured approach to a task, leading or contributing to team projects with confidence, and ensuring successful outcomes by using the tools and methods I've acquired through this subject. As I take this journey, I hold on to this quote. There's no victory without a battle. Of course, success doesn't come easily. So you have go through challenges, you have to go through struggles and hard work to achieve something meaningful. Just like in life, before you can celebrate a win, you must first face and overcome obstacles. Our battle represents our effort, and the victory is the reward that comes after. So, to my classmates and teachers, keep believing in your dreams. Every small effort counts. So let's learn together, grow together, and make a positive difference in the future workplace. That's all. Thank you, and may we all have a meaningful learning experience ahead.